Lifestyle. TDA Lifestyle.
Hello everybody, welcome back to TDA Lifestyle with me, Alphonsine. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thanks to all our current subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, and yeah, visit our website for all the information that you need for all the wigs that we have. You can just visit our website, and if you'd like to place your order, please contact the numbers on the screen. You can send a WhatsApp message, and yeah, we'll get back to you. So yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to wear this beautiful Chantal wig. I love the color. This is a braided wig. It looks so good, guys. Like, look at the wig. There's no wig. I just got my hair braided. This looks like my hair is braided without sitting for hours, without messing up my hairline, without pulling. This is amazing, and I really love the colors. Look at the color of this wig. It's just so gorgeous. So yeah, if you'd like to see how to wear this wig, please stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So this wig can be worn glueless with no gel, no spray, anything. You just put this wig on and you are ready to go. Or you can use the Isoplus spray or the Got2b spray. And the good thing about the Isoplus is that it does not leave any residue. So you can actually combine the two. Sometimes I would use the Got2b spray and the Isoplus to remove the residue. So yeah, so for today I'll be using the Isoplus alone. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my wig, the Chantal wig. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and adjust our little elastic bands. So we just hook them. So you just hook it like this. Like that. So the closer they are, the tighter the wig's going to be. The further up they are, the looser the wig's going to be. And for an even better fit, I am going to crisscross them. So I'm just going to put one here. So I'm going to crisscross it like this because my hair today is very flat as can be. So I'm just going to crisscross it like that to give me an even better fit. So we're going to go ahead and adjust the big elastic band. So I'm going to put my wig on, bring everything to the back. Boom. So I'm gonna just adjust my wig, make sure everything is sitting in place, make sure everything is nice where I want it to be, you know, like that. So yeah, if you're gonna wear this wig glueless, you're done. Like, you just put the wig on and you're done. Like, as you can see, I can style the wig and I'm ready to go. So the wig is literally done. Okay, what is that? Okay, the wig is actually looking good already. So you don't really need to spray it down or gel it down, but if you want the ears to stay flat, because as you can see, if I do this, it kind of lifts, the lace kind of lifts here and here as well. So you can just take your spray. But if you're going to do styles, like if you're going to put everything down, like styles like these, you know, styles that don't require everything to be put up or in a ponytail or anything like that, then you can literally just wear this wig glueless and you are ready to go. So if you're going to wear any gel or any spray, you're just going to take your gel, your spray, you're just going to spray it all over your hairline. Yeah, so I'm going to grab my silk scarf and I'm going to tie everything down for about 10 minutes. So you're just going to leave it like this for 10 minutes and yeah, we'll be back in 10. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and remove the scarf. And there you go. You can see everything is sitting nicely in place. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation and my little brush just to make everything look more natural. I'm just going to go over the lace with this so it can blend nicely. Okay, so the thing about this wig is you don't even need to go ahead and style your baby hairs and swoop and do all of that stuff, because these are curly baby hairs. So when you put the gel or you tie it down with the scarf, it immediately just takes its own shape and it looks more natural. As you can see, you can't really tell, but you can go ahead and swoop it with some gel if you like the swooping look, but I prefer to leave it like this because I feel it looks more natural, especially on a braided wig. I think this looks good. So yeah, you can go ahead and style this wig however you feel. So this is a lace front wig, so it's got the lace in the front, and let me just quickly show you guys the back. And it's pretty long too. I think it's like, it reaches right here. So yeah, it's a very long wig. And as you can see how flowy, it's nice and flowy, and it's really not heavy. It's very light. You can see there's not much hair. There's not too many braids on it, which is what I love about the wig. It's not too full and it's also not empty. So it's just perfect, you know. It's really well constructed. It is done properly. And yeah, so we can go ahead and style this wig. So let's try some few styles. And there you have it. Very simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Very easy to put this wig on. And yeah, hey guys, like, this wig is so convenient. It's perfect. The color, everything is just amazing. So yeah, this wig does come in different colors. You just have to let us know, and yeah, we'll make that happen for you. Like, I really love this wig. Look at the flow. It's really amazing. It's amazing that I don't have to sit for this long to get my hair braided like this, and I can have this wig looking fresh, looking new for a very long time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to place your orders. Okay, so I will see you in our next video, and take care. Bye.